Hello everyone, welcome, Spateria here. Normally, the system tray of the taskbar or the notification area of Windows 10 is the place where Bluetooth icon resides and appears when turned on. It performs multiple functions like allowing a user to join a personal area network, adding a new Bluetooth device and more. You may find it difficult to retrieve the icon under such circumstances. And now we can see how to fix Bluetooth icon missing from Windows 10. Fix 1. Enable Bluetooth icon from Settings. Click Start and click Setting. Click Devices. Click Bluetooth and other devices. Fix 2. Restart Bluetooth service. Type run in the search bar. -input services.msc. Select Bluetooth support service. Click Stop and click Start. Fix 3. Enable Bluetooth icon in Quick Actions. Click in the corner notification. Click right button in the mouse. Click Add and select Bluetooth. Click Done. Fix 4. Launch Bluetooth manually. Open Bluetooth application in the System folder. C > Windows > System 32 > select fsquirt.z. This INI4 fixes how to fix Bluetooth icon missing from Windows 10. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe Spateria channel. Thanks for watching.